President of St Andrews FC, Craig Butler, is satisfied that the local-based players from his team did enough to impress local officials in their charity match against Red Stripe Premier League leaders Waterhouse on Sunday. Simon Preston tells us more.
The Red Stripe Premier League may be on a short break, but Waterhouse showed no sign of slowing down. The Drewsland-based club took the lead in the 6th minute thanks to Gervon Brown after a steady build-up. Andre Fletcher got a brace in minutes 27 and 37 to secure the 3-0 victory. Head coach of Waterhouse, Marcel Gale, is delighted for another solid defensive display.
You know, at this time, everybody have been drinking cake and eating cake and drinking cereal. But, as I say, these guys, international player, come and give a competitive match. I mean, it's always welcome to my team. And I saw some good things today, which I never saw before. So, it's a good look going forward.
President of St Andrews FC, Craig Butler, looks at the positives from the game.
The scoreline was not exactly what we wanted, but hey, it's good. It's two good clubs together and doing good work. And I think that Jamaica got a chance to see the quality of our players, especially Kyle and Kevon and Kemar Reed especially. And so it's for me a win.
Meanwhile, in the curtain raiser, Waterhouse's under-17 team had a 5-star performance as they defeated Phoenix Academy All-Stars 5-0. President of Waterhouse Football Club, Donovan White, speaks about the proceeds which will go to the Jamaica Cancer Society.
I was most impressed especially with the under-17 teams. I think they played extremely well. They played to expectation. It was a good game, both games, competitive. In relation to the donation, between myself and Bruce and Craig, we've so far put together $500,000 that we'll donate to Jamaica Cancer Society in the name of children living with cancer, and that we'll do later on this week once business get back to running normal. But
Waterhouse will be looking to extend their unbeaten run to 13 games in the Red Stripe Premier League on January 6 when they host Cavalier. Reporting for TVJ Sports, I'm Simon Preston.